students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video I will cover the introduction part of class 6, that is chapter number 3, playing with numbers. So here we will come to the first topic, factors and multiples. What is the factors and what is the multiples of a number? So just see here, if I write 6 here, okay, 6 we know the product of 2 into 3, right? So I can write 6 equal to 1 into 2 into 3, okay, that is the same. So this is called a factors. This is the factors, okay, and this is the multiple of 2 and 3. Okay, so this is the factors of 6, the factors of 6, and 6 is the multiple of 2 and 3, means in the table of 2 and 3 it is coming, okay, 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. So it is the multiple of 2 and 3. So I am noting down some important points, okay. So here 1 is the factor of every number, okay. 1 is the factor of every number, right? 1 is, if you multiply 1 by here, if we take 8, okay, so we know that 2 4s are 8, so it will be 1 into 2 into 4, right? So 2 4s are 8 and 4 2s are 8, we know. So this is the factors of 8. 8 is also a factor of 8. So here you can write like this, 1 2 4 8 is the factors, okay. Here 1 2 3 6 means the number itself is also a factor. So here number itself is also an, sorry, not an, a, so also a factor, okay. Now the next point is the number of factors is fixed. Number of factors is fixed, that is finite, and multiples are, number of multiples is infinite, okay. Like 18, so we know that 6 is a 18, so we know that 1 is the factor, 2 is divisible by 18, okay, then 3 is also 8 plus 1 is 9. I will tell you about the divisibility, how you will check. So here 3, okay, 4 is not the factor, then 5 is not the factor, 6 is the factor, 7 is not the factor, 8 is not the factor, 9 is the factor. So here 1 2 3 6 9, this is the factor, that is the fixed number, okay. Multiples means 18 is also a factor for that, okay. So this is the factor, that is the fixed factors, and it is finite. Now come to the next topic, that is prime number and composite number. Here prime number is 2 3 5 7 11 13 19 so on, okay. So here you can see that this is this will not come to any multiplication table. Okay, so this prime number means it is divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, means 2 have the factors 1 and 2, 3 have the factors 1 and 3. In any table they will not come. Okay, so these are the prime numbers. Now come to the composite numbers. Composite numbers have 1 or 2 factors. Okay, more than 1 factor they have. More than 1 factors are the composite number. You can see that 4, 8, 9, 6, like this they have composite numbers. Okay, see students, here we left with 1. Okay, can we say 1 is the prime number? 1 is not coming to any table. Okay, and in composite number means more than 1 factor, so 1 has no factor. Okay, 1 is not coming to any any table. Okay, so 1 is, this is the important point, 1 is neither prime nor composite number, right? So this is the very important point, you can note it. Now let's come to the next topic, that is test of divisibility. Okay, if it is 8, if it is 8, so how you will test the divisibility? If we test divisibility by 2, I will divide it by 2, 2 4s are 8, okay, and it come to 0, means remainder is 0. Here remainder is 0 means it is the divisible by 8, okay. It is a single digit, so it is possible that we will divide. If it is long number like this, okay, so this will be long division. It will be long division for that. Okay, so what we will do, we have the some rules for divisibility. For 2, it is last digit will be 0, 2, 4, 8. Okay, last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 8. Here 8, so it will be the divisible by 2. For 3, you have to sum the digits. Sum the digits. These are the digits: 7, 8, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 8 is 26, 26, and 26 plus 7, 33. Okay, 33 is divisible by 3, so it will be divisible by 3. It will be divisible by 2, divisible by 3, because it is coming 33 after, okay, after summing the digits, so it is divisible by 3. For 4, we have to see last 2 digits, 4, 8. Last 2 digits, if it is divisible by 4, so the number is divisible by 4, means 4, 8. Okay, 4 is 48 is divisible by 4, so it is divisible by 4 also. Now for 5, last digit should be 0 or 5. Here it is not 0 and not 5, so it will be, it is not divisible by 5. For 6, divisible by, if it is divisible by 2 and 3, Okay, so it is divisible by 2 and 3. So 6 is also the factor of this. It is divisible by 6. Okay, for 8, 7 is a prime number. For 8 we have the last 3 digits. Okay, if it is last 3 digits divisible by 8, so we can divide 948 by 8. 8 ones are 8, 1 14. So here 8 ones are 8, 9 10 11 12 13 14. 6. Here it is coming 68. 68 is not divisible by 8. It is not divisible by 8. Okay, so last you have to divide last 3 digit with 8. For 9, same sum of the digits. If it is sum of the digits divisible by 9. So we had seen for 3 it is 33 sum of the digits. Okay, 33 is the result for the sum of the digits. So 9 is not divided by 33. We do not get the remainder 0. So here it is not divisible by 9. And for 10, last digit should be 0. For 10, last digit should be 0. So here not 0, non-zero is here. So these are the divisibility. So this number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6. You can note it down. Okay. So these are the some rules. For 2, last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Means the multiple of 2. Okay. Multiple last digit will be multiple of 2. For 3, it is the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. For 4, it is last 2 digits divisible by 4. This last 2 digits you have to divide by 4. If it is remainder 0, so it is divisible by 4. For 5, last digits should be 0 or 5. For 6, if it is divisible by both 2 and 3, so it is divisible by 6. For 8, you have to divide this last 3 digits with 8. If the remainder becomes 0, so it is divisible by 8. For 9, you have to sum the digits. If the result is divisible by 9, so this number should be divisible by 9. For 10, last digit should be 0 for the divisible by 10. So these are the sum rules, so you can note it down. Okay, students, come to the next topic, that is common factors and common multiples. Okay, so what is the common factor? We can see if it is given to find the factor of 4 and 18. Okay, so let's do. For 4 it is 1, 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, and itself 4. Okay, here for 18, 1 is the factor, 2 is the factor, 3 is the factor, 6 is the factor, and 9 is the factor, and 18 itself. Okay, so this is the factors of 4 and 18. So we have to find the common factor. Common means in both, here it is 1 is the common and 2 is the common. So here 1 and 2 are the common factors. Okay, for the common multiples, these are the common factors, and multiples means multiplication table. Let's see, for 4 we have to find common multiples for 4 and 6, that is infinite. I had written the important points that common multiples is infinite. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Okay, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. Here 24, 6 6s are 36, Okay, so here up to 6 I had written the table for both. So here you can see this 12 is the common, okay, and here 24 is the common. This 36 is also common. If I write here 4 9s are 36, okay. So this are the multiples, common multiples, means the multiplication table you have to write and you have to see the common numbers here. So common multiples are infinite and here you can see common factors are fixed, okay. Common factors are fixed, that 1 or 2 is the here. And one important point, that the common factors having only here one important note is that two numbers having only one as a common factor two numbers having only one as a common factor is called co-prime numbers. I am writing example for this. Let's see 4 and 15. Okay, for 4 it is 1 2 4. For 15 it is 1 3 5 15. Okay, so here you can see only 1 is the common factor, okay. Not other number is a factor, not other number is a common. So these are 4 and 15 are co-prime numbers. You can write this. Okay, so this is the common factor and common multiples. Okay, let's see student, next topic is prime factorization. What is prime factorization? We had factors of prime numbers. If it is given any number, so we get factors of prime numbers. You can see here, if it is, we had two methods. Let's see factor tree first. Factor tree. If it is 90, let's see 90. Okay, so we know that 9 into 10 is 90. So here I am writing 10 and here I am writing 9. So 10 9s are 90 here, and 10 is the factor of 2 5s are 10. So here 2, here 5. Okay, and here 3 3s are 9. So what is the factor of 90? Factor of 90 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. This is the factor of 90. Okay, you can add okay, this is the prime factorization of 90. Okay, this is the factor tree. You have to solve up till you do not get the prime numbers. Here it is, I am getting prime numbers 2 5 3 3. Okay, okay, so this is the factor tree first method. Okay, if it is given 980, you can solve factor tree, but it is too long. Okay, so 980 we can factorize like this. We should see the divisibility. I had told you before that. Okay, test of divisibility, it is 0. So first prime number is 2. So we will divide with 2. 2 4s are 8, 1 18, 2 6s are 2 9s are 18 and 2 0s are 0. Again 0, so we will divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 10, 2 5s are 10. Now After 2 the prime number is 3. Okay, so for 3 for checking divisibility we have to sum the digits, that is 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. So 11 is not divisible by 3. So by 4 is also, 4 is not the prime number, we have to select the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19. So you should remember the prime numbers. Okay, so here it is 5. So divisibility for 5 is 0 or 5. The last digit number should be 0 or 5. So here we have to by the 5. 5 4s are 20. Okay, 45. 5 9s are 40. 49. Sorry, 5 9s are 45. Okay, so I am getting 49. So 49 is not divisible by 5. Okay, now the next prime number is 7. So we know that 7 7s are 49. Then 7 1s are 7. Okay, up till 1 you have to write here. Here you can include 1 into. Okay, that is the prime factors. So here prime factor of 980 is, sorry, 1 is not the, 1 is neither prime nor composite, so you do not include 1 here. Okay, 980 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. So this is the prime factor for 980 and this is the prime factor of 90. Okay, so these are the two methods you can solve for the prime factorization. Okay students, next topic is HCF, that is highest common factor. Highest common factor means highest common factor means greatest number of the common multiple. Okay, so we can denote this highest common factor as GCD also. GCD means greatest common divisor. Okay, so I am taking example 20, 28, 36. So what we have to do for that? For taking HCF, I am taking here example. For getting highest common factor, we should factorize this one by prime factorization. Okay, I told you about the prime factorization. So 20, we should take here first 2. 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Okay, 28, last digit is 8, so we will it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 36. Okay, are you getting 36? So here 2 1s are 2, 1 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Like this you have to factorize this 3 numbers. Now you have to write here 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Here 28 equal to 2 into 2 into 7. 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so 2, you can see here 2 is common here and this 2 is also common. So HCF is equal to 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Like this you can solve easily by prime factorization. Okay. Okay students, next topic is LCM, that is the last topic of this my introduction video. Is least common multiple. Okay, means least of their common multiple. So I have taken 2 examples for 2 numbers and for 3 numbers I am showing you. Okay, this 12 and 18. So I will take here. First I will see here 2 and 8. Okay, last digit is 2 and 8. So I can divide by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18. Okay, 2 is divisible by 6, but 9 is not, but 9 is not, so 9 you have to write as it is and you have to divide with 2 by 2 for the 6th one. Okay, 2 3 is 6 and 9 as it is. Now come to the 3. 3 and 9 is not divisible by 2. So come to the 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now 3 ones are 3. Like this you have to solve the LCM part. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 3s are 36. 36 is your LCM of this part. Okay. Now come to this number. I had taken example here for 2 numbers, here 3 numbers. So for the 3 numbers 20, 25, 30. Okay, so you can see that it is 0 in the last digit, 5 and 0. So for 0, 2 is divisible, but 5 is not divisible. So I will write this number as it is. 2 10s are 20, 25, 2 15s are 30. Now again 2 5s are 10, 25, 15. We can see for 3, 5 plus 2 is 7, it is not divisible. 5 plus 1 is 6, so it is divisible. So 3, 5 as it is, 25 as it is, 3 5s are 15. Like this you have to. Now for 5 it is divisible all the 3. So 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Now 5 1 1 1. So you got it. What is the LCM? So LCM is equal to, you have to write like this, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 is a 12 and 25 into 12, 12 5s are 60, 12 2s are 24 plus 6, 30. So I am getting here 300 as LCM. I hope I cleared your concepts and doubt in this introduction video so that you can solve easily this exercise exercise 3.123 as it is. Okay, so on. So in the next video I will cover exercise 3.1 for you. So till then, please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.